Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add anchor text in WIX website. So let's go to the browser first. Open your WIX website and you will find here this plus icon. Click on this plus icon and then you can see here menu and anchor. This section you can find anchor and you'll find here this anchor. You have to just drag and drop to the desired position and you have to name it any name you can add. I'm naming here contact us. So now you can see here that a contact us button or contact us anchor has been added here. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.